Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan, marhaban bikum. And as much as I like to use, I like camera so much, and I was using this one. I was using this phone. Normally, this one I was using the phone. And it's a good phone actually, but I did not get what I want from this phone. Normally is a, how you call it, Vivo. Yeah, Vivo 200 Pro. As you can see, you also take nice pictures, but the problem is when I upload these pictures on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube, become bad. So I need to get official camera, you know. I do. You can see this phone, the camera behind. Especially, I always use this this one here, this camera here. Okay, to get the better quality, as you can see right now. To get a better quality like this, you need to use that camera. Like this, you're gonna appear in my face. So as you can see, like this, you're gonna appear in my face. So I do love it, but now upgrade to a new camera. So I hope you guys are ready for the new content. Officially, we're gonna give good one.